Thutha wa irabu na mikawa kuhingurwo ni thirikari, mitaratara iria yagathikirwo ni ati njohi ndiagiriirwo ni kwendio mikawa-ini, watho uria andu makoretwo magikeruka na gucungiriria thirikari kwendekithia kuhingwo kwa irabu na mikawa iyo. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro muthenya wa umuthi, kiama kia ene irabu PERAC kiugite ni maiguite kuri na riandikithia ria ministry ogima wa mwiri ria kuhinga irabu na mikawa, na nyingi makaigua thirikari ya Kiambu nirikitie kuheo watho wa kuhinga irabu na mikawa, undu uria moigite wona mahingirwo mawira to megukorwo magitara hathara amu gicunjie kia 90% kia andu aria merigagirira uboco kuma kuri irabu na mikawa ni mekuhutio na njira nene, aria ni hamwe na arimi aria maguragira irio cia kwendia mikawa-ini.
Biashara citu wa mbere irio iria tuguraga ciumaga migunda, na migunda eno ni arimi anini tondu thukuma, kabici, nyama, karati, kiria giothe turutaga guku migunda-ini itu tutimportagi.
We urge the governor to respect the rule of law, and we have in mind the welfare of businesses in the county to avoid making unilateral decisions.
Ni mongereire atirire irabu na mikawa yahingitwo ni mathire hathara ya makiria ma bilioni 50 na thutha wa gwitikirio kuhingura wira makihuthira mbeca ingi itanyiniria gutigirira ni magathika mitaratara iria irendekana ni thirikari niguo kumetikiri guthi na mbere na biashara ciao, noguo makoiga kuhingirwo wira ringi megukorwo magitara hathara makiria.
Na maundu maria tuonete mieri iyo 3 nituthiete hathara ya makiria ma bilioni 50 na kugituika magavana mothe ni mekubuata uge ucio wa gavana Nyoro nimetukuhotomia biashara nyingi na definitely ginya economy itu no ikuhotoma.
Some of them have gone as far as investing up to 1 million to adhere with the protocols. That one includes social distancing, making sure that we have sanitizers, ensuring that our staff have gone for tests, and we are not talking about 2 members of staff. We are talking about almost 10 to 15 members of staff per establishment. This has cost us so much, and we don't want to invest that amount of money and then now again go and abuse the sale of alcohol or flout the industry.
Kurigana nao ni mareganite na watho wa thirikari wa andu kugura njohi makanywire micini, makiuga watho ucio ni mugaru na watho wa njohi, makiuga undu ucio ni gukorwo gikuruhania ciana kuingirania na unyui wa njohi.
This is against the spirit of Alcoholic Drinks Control Act, which bans sale and consumption of alcohol in the presence of children.
Or banning of alcohol in the restaurants will open an avenue for underage drinking, which NACADA really does not condone. And as PERAC members, we do not condone the sale of alcohol to underage. So we are giving a lot of room for illicit brew.
Riu ni moretie thirikari guteaniria riboti iyo, makiuga wira wao ri muhari-ini wa mbere wa gutongia bururi, na muno makiria riri ndege cia kuma nja wa bururi citanyitwo gucokereria.
Koguo ithuĩ tukuria thirikari iregerie woni ucio wa Nyoro na draft iyo irarutitwo ni Ministry of Health.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, ministry ogima wa mwiri yugite iricemba kung'ethanira na aria megukorwo magikugia bara wa kwendia njohi mikawa-ini na njira ya kuhenania marua mao ni mairabu na mikawa.
There are very clear laid down licensing regimens for bars that serve alcohol and for eateries. Very clear licensing regimens, and we want to caution those who are operating under those guises that those licensing procedures are very clear, and any establishments found to be contravening that will face the full force of the law.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kihara.